Hey guys, once again, I did some Leonardo AI photos the other day in reference to witness the dramatic moment when Atlantis is engulfed by the catastrophic tsunami as the city sinks into the ocean. Its majestic structures crumble, leaving behind a haunting beauty that captivates those who later explore its submerged ruins. And here's some photos I'll be doing over in Capcut today. I took these photos over into Topaz AI photo to upgrade them, and we'll see how these come out. I'm just going to walk through them. I didn't record voice on this prior. I'm recording the voice on Capcut at the moment. We'll see how this comes out. The first test with the voice over, and on the left is the before, and on the right is the after. You can do split screen, full screen. I've changed a lot of items on this, bringing the light, more light onto the building, into the sky, etc. Really worked out well. I've had Topaz for quite a while and decided, for the Christmas holidays, to purchase it with their special prices to upgrade my system. Upgraded a lot of the systems out there. Camtasia was upgraded today. I've had Camtasia Studio for quite a long time. I've enjoyed that as well. I'm new to Capcut. I'm learning a lot in the last week, etc. I didn't notice a special on that. I paid a full price for the year. I paid for 3 picks as well. Had a special on that. As well as some other software that came out for the Christmas holidays. I'm wearing my uncle's hat today for Christmas. Hope everybody's had a great holiday. Merry Christmas to everybody. A little chilly here in Florida today. Just below Cape Canaveral. The future president's just below me. I'll be hearing the plane go over once again. As we walk through Topaz Studio photo. See the different changes. Well, I can't wait to do some old photos going back about, I'd say about 50 years ago. It'll be intriguing to see the changes will take place in this Topaz Photo AI. That's after. This is before. All the adjustments. You set your presets, the different tabs. It's quite impressive what you can do with this Topaz Studio. Unbelievable. I'm glad I chose to upgrade Topaz for the holiday season, that's for sure. It's going to be very useful. Very, very nice. Next time I'll do this on voice. This is the voiceover, which I'm doing in Capcut. It's coming out pretty well. Here's another photo. The before and after picture. Didn't change anything yet here. Notice at the top right hand corner, you can zone in certain areas that you want to change there into that little block area. Around. I'll learn more as time goes on. I have the opportunity to do this during my weekdays. Look at those waves. Unbelievable. Got the idea of this from a movie I watched the other day. Come up with Atlantis. I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. If you'd like to leave a comment. And you guys have a great holiday season and a happy new year coming up. Take care. Bye.